Coast to Crew fans. Today we are at Great Adventure with another construction update on Total Mayhem. Let's take a look. Looks like footer forms are starting to go in. If you want.
Hello. Welcome to Flash Pass.
Hi.
Hi.
Come get your Flash Pass.
Oh.
Videotape.
Our prices are backwards.
We'll give you a good deal.
Our prices are backwards. Yes, they are. Our prices are backwards.
Alright, I'm back with another look. Alright guys, this is the best angle I can get for this trip. It's holiday in the park and they have a lot more fences up than they normally do to block off sections of the park, so this is the best that I can get for this side where the grandstand used to be. Alright, then that's a wrap from Great Adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope. We're everywhere, so find us. Coast to Crew. Thanks, guys. See ya.